food. Corey Smith, Tam, Dan. Hello, Corey. Thank you so much. Thank you, Michaela. Bichi na po. Kelly, great live. Oh, so, thank you, Kelly. Maraming salamat, Kelly. Thank you. And, patusok sa nakapin, guys. Pa-visit. Pa-connect. Ayan, I'm going to your video, Mary Jane. Ayan. Mary Jane. Dito ako ha. Wala pang 1K. Oh, maka 1K ka din. Basta ano lang. Laging bisita sa mga nagla-live. Connect. Kalugmok TV. Shout out Kalugmok. I'm just Gia. Don. Anong don? Dan like. Ayan, yun pala yun. Hindi na ako marunong magbasa. Mary Jane, watching dito Mary Jane ha. Pinasaya ko alaga ko sa pagpaint ng cat sa face. Wow. Thank you. Kalugmok, maraming salamat Kalugmok. And wait lang Kalugmok ha. I'm going to your video. Salamat. And I'm connected to you Mary Jane Bill all. Thank you so much. And watching your alaga. Okay. Nasa ano ka ba Mary Jane? Sa Hong Kong? Saang bansa ka ba? Ayan. Please do connect guys sa nakapin from Singapore. Thank you. Ayan. Thank you Michaela. And Ate Angie, ayan, still watching. Janice, dito ka sa bahay mo Janice. Missing kids, are you still there missing kids? I'm going to your video. And also Kalugmok. Oh, pwede mo palitan yan. Huwag ng Kalugmok. Thank you so much guys. Maraming salamat. Almarie. Wala. Gabiin na kayo oh. Thank you Kelly. Thank you for the like guys. Thank you for the support. Janice, dito kasi yung video Janice ha. Ito, ipi-play ko yung live mo. Ayan. Kunti lang yung video mo no. Ayan. Play here. Thank you. And done sa yung video. Mary Jane Lobario Vlog. Ayan. Johnny Baldo, obrigado Johnny Baldo. I'm going to your video Johnny Baldo. And watching Janice, ayan, sa iyong latest live. Thank you. And Johnny Baldo, I'm going to your video Johnny Baldo. Yeah, watching Johnny Baldo. Bora de Role. Okay, Bora. Bora. Thank you so much, Johnny Baldo. Obrigado, Johnny Baldo. Thank you. Colin, shout out. Oy. Thank you. Lucy Warren's World. Thank you so much, Lucy. Thank you. Ayan, watching this video Janice. Ayan, dito ako watching ng iyong live. Thank you, Almarie. Ayan, salamat, babaeng pinagpala.